everyone, welcome back to the channel The Ananya Diaries. It's me Ananya Sinha, your CAT Aspirant. So today's video will be on the topic the day in the life of a CAT Aspirant, vlog 2. In the previous video I have started percentage in quant section, and now I have completed my percentage, and today we will start a new chapter which is time and work. So let's get started. So we will start with quant, time and work. So first of all, we will start with watching some conceptual video to gain some knowledge, like what's the actual topic is and what we have to study in that topic. And after that, we will do some questions based upon that.
Okay.
So I am done with quant, time and work. Watch some conceptual videos, and after that solve some questions based on time and work. And now we will start DI. So in DI we will basically do line and graph and try to complete line graphs, and after that we will solve sets based on line graph. So let's get started. So guys, I am done with DI, and now I will move towards the reading section, and today we will read a book, or you can say a novel, The Alchemist. So let's move forward. So guys, I am done with my reading section, completed next 12 pages and also wrote some of the words, and now we'll move. Now I have completed my today's schedule, and after that I will having my internship class. So before that, let's have a short break and have some tea. I've tried a lot to switch this on, but it's not turning on, so I shifted towards this and made my tea. So today's session is literally boring. I don't know what she's telling about. Like, it's literally boring. I'm done with my internship class. It's over. Internship classes is also over. So today was a really productive day for me. So let's see you in the next vlog. Bye.